Women around the Prophet ﷺ. As soon as you hear this title, one of the first names that pops up is the name of our mother, our beloved mother, who was the love of the Prophet ﷺ, the most beloved of his wives, that he declared that he loves her more than anyone else. Her name was Aisha. May Allah be pleased with her. And Ata says Aisha was the most knowledgeable of all people, and the most with fiqh, meaning of understanding of issues, and the best of opinions of all people. And if you look at her life, you would find that when people ask her about fiqh, she would answer. Tafsir, she would answer. Hadith, she would narrate hadiths more than anyone else, other than maybe Abu Hurairah and maybe Anas. And if you look at poetry, she knows all the Arabs' poetry. If you look at medicine, she even knows medicine. And when she was asked by her nephew, how would you know all of these things? She said, I was always with the Prophet ﷺ. And whenever he got sick, I can hear the nomads saying to him that this plant is good for this and that plant is good for that. So she had an edge without any dispute. Now, scholars went into who's more favorable, who's more beloved, who's better. Is it Khadija or Fatima or Aisha? And the most authentic opinion is that this is with Allah. We cannot judge these things, though we are a little bit inclined to Khadija because she is the mistress of the women in paradise. But when it comes to knowledge, without any doubt, Aisha is more knowledgeable than all of them. When it comes to lineage, without any doubt, Fatima has the highest of all in lineage. And when it comes to the favors that she had given and the support and assistance to Muslims in Islam, and especially to the Prophet ﷺ, no one stands close to Khadija. So Aisha gave the whole Muslim world a lot of knowledge that till date we depend on it. And the reasons behind that were that she was very smart and she had a strong photographic memory. She memorized the Qur'an. She memorized the hadiths of the Prophet ﷺ, and she had the understanding, the intellect to analyze and get the rulings from. She was an expert in poetry, in Arabic language, in all the different arts related to it. So she had the full arsenal to understand Qur'an and the Sunnah and what was going on. She grew up in the house of the Prophet ﷺ, and that would be sufficient just to see him, to speak to him. And if you add to that, that the Prophet was also keen on teaching her, on talking with her, and making her understand, because he knew that she would convey all of this to his Ummah. And lastly, she was the only wife of the Prophet ﷺ that the revelation, the wahi from Jibreel, came while the Prophet was with her in the bed. And he said that no other woman ever had I received the revelation while I was in her bed, except Aisha. And the companions themselves acknowledged her knowledge. Abu Musa al-Ash'ari says, whenever we had a dispute among us, companions of the Prophet ﷺ, we would always ask Aisha and find that she has knowledge about it. Imagine this great mother of ours. She's our mother. She's not only the wife of the Prophet ﷺ, she is the mother of the believers. Almost 200 companions and tabi'i took knowledge from her. Those who were mahram, like Urwa ibn Zubayr, Al-Qasim ibn Muhammad ibn Abi Bakr, those who were her nephews knowledge directly from her. Those who were non-mahram, she would teach them and address them in a special chamber where there is a hijab between her and them, and they would learn and spread the knowledge. Over almost 200 companions learned from her, and tabi'een. And no wonder that whenever her name is mentioned, we always remember that she was the love of the Prophet ﷺ, that she was the Humayra whom the Prophet loved more than anyone else, and that she is his wife in this dunya, and she is his wife in paradise. And may Allah Azza wa Jal curse those who slander her, who say negative things about her, who resent her and hate her, because those who do so hate our Prophet ﷺ, hate our religion, and falsify the Qur'an, where Allah has revealed her innocence in Surah An-Nur. هذا والله أعلم ونسبة العلم إليه أسلم وصلى الله وسلم وبارك على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين.